So it's fixed now. I've clipped it in. So I think laptop is good to go. I like that this laptop is very upgradable. So I was able to upgrade my 512 gigabytes SSD to I added additional 2 terabytes, so making it 2 terabytes and 2.5 terabytes. So then most of that configuration I saw, they came with like 16 gig, same 16 gig with 8 gig modules. But now this one came with 16 gig module. That's why I got this, so that I can upgrade it easily to 32 gig. So this system is now good to go, ready to take on any hard processing task. So that's the wireless module there. The other thing, no. Nice. The inside is nice. So I hope it turns on. Let's see. We're going to BIOS now. Check. Let's cover it up first.